Hey guys, welcome back sa ating C++ week. So this is day 2 and for today we have our problem called extended linear array search. So yung difficulty ng problem natin na to is just easy. So wag na natin patagalin pa, basahin na natin yung problem natin for today. So as you can see here, nakalagay dito, let's read. So create a program that lets the user decide the number of elements in an array. And also, let the user assign student names in each index of that array. Then prompt the user for a student name to search through that array. So when the student name exists, display the student name exists in index, tapos yung index niya. When the student name doesn't exist, display student name doesn't exist in the array. So ayun yung i-output natin. So, yung student name na nakalagay dito, yung naka-parenthesis, yung sinesearch natin na student. Okay? So, take note of that, guys. Okay, so, ayun na, guys. So, intindihin nyo na mabuti yung problem natin and then, i-post nyo na yung video if you have an idea kung ano na yung gagawin. And then, we will give you 5 seconds to post this video and then, magko-continue tayo sa video and then, gagawin na natin yung program na problem na to for today. Okay? So, timer starts now. So, yun na nga guys. I assume na natapos nyo na ang ating programming challenge for today. And kung hindi nyo man natapos and then continue on with the video, we will do it step by step mamayang after kung ipakita tong output natin. So guys, kung natapos nyo, ito dapat yung output or hindi man ito yung exactly na output. Basta nakakapag-search kayo sa array, nakakapaglagay kayo dun sa loob ng array, and nakakapag-decide si user kung ilan yung ilalagay dun sa array. Tama na yun guys. So as you can see here, ang sabi dun sa problem natin kanina, di ba? Let's the user decide kung gaano karami yung laman ng array. So, ayan, how many student names? So pili tayo ni program kung ilan yung student name na ilalagay natin. So, example, I put 3 here. So, ayan. So, nakalagay din doon, let the user assign values in each element of the array. So, yung student 0 name, lalagyan natin siya ng value. So, I will say Tim. Then, student 1 name would be Timmy. And then, student 2 name would be Jim. So, as you can see, guys, nilagyan natin lahat ng value. So, ganun dapat, guys, yung magiging program nyo. So, hihingan kayo ni program kung ilan yung nasa loob ng array. And then, next, ipapa-assign sa inyo ni program lahat ng value dun sa loob ng dineclare na array na yon. And then, next, papapiliin kayo kung ano yung isa-search nyo dun sa array na yan. So, magsa-search tayo dun sa dineclare nating array. So, if I put Jim here, which exists, as you can see, pang student 2 siya. If I enter this, makikita nyo, Jim exists in index 2. So, nakalalaman ni program kung pang ilan si Jim. Okay, so, ayun. So, if I run this again, let's close this. Then, let's reset the program. Then, how many student names? I will put 3 ulit. Jim, Tim, Timmy. Now, if I search someone, nung wala dun sa ating array, ang lalabas sa kanya, student name doesn't exist. So, yung, kunwari, ito, search ko, SDPT. Enter. SDPT doesn't exist in the array. Kasi wala naman siya dun sa array natin. So, dapat ganun yung mangyayari sa inyong program. So, kung nagawa nyo yun, great job, guys. Kahit wala explanation, nagawa nyo. And then, you can proceed now to the next challenge kung meron man. So, as of now, day 2 pa lang tayo. So, bukas may day 3. Okay? So, kung nagawa nyo na yun, naintindihan nyo na mabuti kung paano nangyayari yung array, alam nyo kung paano gumana yung for loop or while loop, and then, alam nyo din yung conditional statements. So, you understand that well. So, congratulations kung nagawa nyo. If hindi nyo naman nagawa, that's fine guys. Pag-aaralan natin yan for today. Kaya nga tayo merong series na ganito. So, hey guys, I'm so sorry about the interruption. So, I just need to explain something lang. Nire-record ko to pagkatapos kong i-record yung buong tutorial. So, I forgot something very important na sasabihin ko sa inyo. But, ipuput ko na din dun sa ating question na i-edit ko mamaya. So, guys, yung uppercase and lowercase. So, case sensitive yung search natin for now. But kung nagawa nyong hindi siya case sensitive and then very good, so itry nyong gawing hindi case sensitive. Kaya ako lang ginawang case sensitive kasi magiging complicated pa yung code natin. So as you can see guys, if I try to enter, so how many students name, I will put 3, Tim, Jim, and Jimmy. So if I try to search Tim with a small letter T, as you can see lalabas, Tim doesn't exist in the array. So that's fine kung hindi gumagana yung code nyo dahil dun sa maliit na, so lowercase yung first letter and uppercase yung in-enter nyo dun sa array. So that's fine kasi hindi ko naman talaga hinihingi pa yon. So kung nagawa nyo man na hindi siya case sensitive, and then good for you guys, so ang galing nyo. So kung dun sa mga beginners na nalilito kung bakit ayaw gumana yung program nila, kung nagawa nyo naman and hindi lang, so case sensitive lang siya, that's fine guys, ganun din yung program ko, so hindi ko na pinakomplikado pa. So yun lang guys, a quick reminder, so you can now get back to the video. So okay, tingnan na natin lahat ng code natin ngayon. So i-delete ko pala lahat ng code na to. So as you can see, take a look at the code. So isang method, isang function lang tayo. So main, as you can see, yan yung code niya. So we will delete that and we will start from scratch. Okay? So ayan, wala na tayong code. And as you can see, nandito ulit yung steps namin for evaluating a problem. So huwag nyo laging kakalimutan to guys. Look at the big picture, cut the big picture through small steps, and then create the program step by step. So gagawin natin ngayon yan. Look at the big picture. Intindihin natin yung tanong. Namnamin natin yung tanong. So as you can see, babasahin uli natin yung tanong. Create a program that lets the user decide the number of elements in an array. So, clear na yon. So, yung program natin, hihingi kay user kung ilan yung laman ng array na i-declare niya. And then next, lets the user assign student names in each index of that array. So, nag-decide na tayo kung ilan yung elements dun sa array. So, si user bahala dun. And then next naman, si user din bahala kung ano yung nakalagay dun sa loob ng array na yon. So, kaya nakalagay, lets the user assign student name in each index of that array. So, ibig sabihin, lahat ng values ng array lalagyan ni user. Then, next naman, then prompt the user for a student name to search. So, hihingan uli si user kung ano yung isa-search niya dun sa ginawa niyang array. So, kunwari, nag-declare na nga tayo ng 3 element na array, tapos nilagyan nga natin ng Tim, Timmy, Jim. So, hihingan ni program kung ano yung search niya doon. So, as you can see kanina doon sa output natin, ganun yung nangyari. Then, lastly, when the student name exists, so, iti-check natin kung nag-exist doon sa array. Display natin yung student name exists in the index, tapos, i-display natin kung pang ilan yung student na yon. Kapag naman hindi nag-exist yung student, when the student name doesn't exist, display student name doesn't exist in the array. So, ganun lang kasimple guys. So, pagka nandun yung student sa loob ng array natin, ilalabas lang natin, student name exists in index, blah blah blah. So, pagka naman hindi nag-exist, display student name doesn't exist in the array. So, ganun lang kadali. So, step 2 guys, cut the big picture through small steps. So, tingnan na natin and gawin na natin yung program. So, create the program step by step. So, basahin natin ulit yung problem. Create a program that lets the user decide the number of elements in an array. So, yun muna yung gagawin natin. So, wag nyo papansinin nyo nasa ilalim. So, let's create muna na yung program na magde-decide si user kung ilan yung laman ng array. So, we need an integer, of course, kasi number yung pinapa-decide ni problem. So, papangalanan lang natin to, int counter, kunwari. Then, wala siyang value kasi si user magde-decide nun. Then, cout lalagay natin. So, how many student names? Then, isi-in natin siya kay counter. So, kung ano si counter, yun yung kung gaano karami si students. And then, magde-declare na tayo ng array for the student name. So, string yung student name. So, string student names. And then, square brackets para makapag-declare ng array, and then ganun kalaki yung array natin. So, si user mag-decide nun, which is yung counter na variable na dineclare natin na hiningi natin kay user. So, kunwari, 5 yung in-enter ni user dun sa counter, then magiging 5 yung array natin. Okay? Magiging 5 yung elements ng array natin. So, gets? So, nakapag-decide na si user kung gaano karami si student name. So, as you can see, pagka nira natin yan, And ilalabas na dyan, how many student names? Pagka nilagay natin 4. Enter, wala lang, process return. So, tapos na natin yung first step natin. So, cross out na yung gagawin natin na yun. So, next step would be, pagkatapos natin decide the number elements in an array, let's the user assign student name in each index of that array. So, i-assign na natin lahat nung value dun sa loob ng student name array. So, di ba, pagka-array, ano yan, group of values. So, paano natin ginagawa yun? So, kung alam nyo naman yung for loop and while loop, so, every time na pinag-uusapan natin is magre-read tayo ng array or magsusulat tayo sa loob ng array, we need a loop para basahin lahat nung nasa loob ng array. So for the basic iteration, so ang iteration, meaning nun is babasahin natin lahat nung nandun sa loob ni array. So basta yung isang list, babasahin natin yung loob nun. Okay, so gagamitin natin for today is for loop. So yung syntax is for loop, for, then magde-declare ng integer int I is equals to 0. Then yung condition niya, if I is less than, so gano'ng karami yung student name natin, so si user magde-decide which is yung counter. So if I is less than counter, I++. So kung napanood niyo yung for loop video natin sa video tutorial natin, then mas madali na lang sa inyo to kasi pinag-aralan natin kung paano mag-iterate sa loob ng array. Ngayon, ang gagawin natin, di ba, is lalagyan lang natin ng name yung loob ng student name. Okay? So, ang gagawin natin ngayon is mag-iterate tayo. So, mag-cout tayo. Enter name for student I. So, sino yung I? So, yung I is yung number ng student natin, kung pang ilan yung student natin. So, kunwari, student 0. So, student 1, student 2. So, para mas ma-distinguish natin kung pang ilan sila. Then, isisiin natin is yung student names, then I. So, yung student names that I, di ba nga nadadagdagan yung I natin every time na maglo-loop. So, kada student name natin, malalagyan natin kasi hihingi ni program. So, if we try to run this, makikita nyo, nanghihingi siya how many student names. Now, if I put 5 here, then lalagay niya, enter name for student 0. So, if I put Tim, hihingi uli siya, enter name for student 1. Jim, enter name for student 2. Bim, Bom, Tam. So, as you can see guys, ang hiningi niya is 5. So, again, sinasabi ko nga sa 0 nagsisimula yung for loop and yung array natin. Okay, so as you can see, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 5 yan. Sa 0 lang nagsimula. And ilan yung kailangan natin? 5. So, sinabi natin kay program, 5 student name yung i-enter natin, which is sinunod niya. So, ngayon, meron na tayong student na Tim, Jim, Bim, Bom, Tam. So, ayan na, declare na natin lahat nung value sa loob nung array natin. So, si user din yung nag-declare nun. So, nasunod natin yung ating instructions. Now, next natin is, so, tapos na natin yung step 2. Then, basahin na natin kung ano yung kasunod. So, let's the user assign student names in each index of that array. Tapos na yan. Then, prompt the user for a student name to search through that array. So, magpo-prompt lang tayo. Hingi lang tayo kay user nang isa-search niya doon sa loob ng array. So, we will just declare another string, name search. So, yung isa-search nating name. Then, hihingi natin kay user yan. So, cout name to search. Then, in name search. So, hingi tayo ng isa-search. Ngayon, pagka nira natin yun, wala pa rin mangyayari as you can see guys. So, lagi natin i-run yung program natin kada step. How many students name? 3. Tim, Jim, Timmy. Then, name to search. As you can see. So, pagka nilagay kong Tim, wala pang lalabas dyan. So, understood kasi wala pang kasunod yung code natin. And then, tapos na natin yung step 3 guys. Now, for the last step, the final step, step 4, eto na yung gagawin natin. When the student name exists, so, i-search nga natin dun sa array yung student name. So, ngayon, when the student name exists, display student name exists in index. So, yun muna yung gawin natin. Pagka nag-exist yung student, mamaya na itong when the student name doesn't exist. So, as you can see, guys, meron na namang hatting possibility. So, meron tayong exist and doesn't exist. So, gagamit ulit tayo ng if conditional statement. So, basta merong laging hatting condition or hatting option, laging gagamit ng conditional statements, guys. So, tandaan nyo yun. Basta meron tayong possibilities na iba, conditional statements yung katapat niyan. Okay, so ngayon, ang kailangan natin gawin is i-search yung name na sinearch natin na binigay natin kay program. So, i-iterate uli natin yung buong array natin. So, copy na lang natin to. So, babasahin niya uli yung buong array natin. So, ang gagawin natin ngayon is i-compare natin yung name search dun sa current na value ng array natin. So, ang gagawin natin, conditional statement. If name search is equals to yung student name I. So, kada value dun sa array natin, i-compare dun kay name search. So, yung sinearch natin. And then, kung equal sila, i-break na natin yung loop. So, ibig sabihin, disregard na natin lahat yung loop na yan. Tapos na, nahanap na natin yung kailangan nating hanapin. So, isi-see out na lang natin dyan. Ano yung nakalagay dun sa taas? Display student name exists in index. So, student name muna. So, we need the student name. So, name search exists in index. Tapos, yung index niya is yung I. So, ayan na, natapos na natin yung function natin para mahanap. Kung mahanap man, lalabas sa kanya, name search exists in index I. So, if we try to run this, makikita nyo. So, how many student names? I will say 4. Tim, Timmy, Jim, Jimmy. So, ngayon, name to search. We will search for Jimmy. Let's try to search for Jimmy. If we enter this, as you can see, Jimmy exists in index 3, which is correct. Nakalagay, enter name for student 3. So, index 3 siya. So, ayun, tama yung program natin. And then, ngayon, meron pa tayong kulang. So, pagka nag-search tayo ng wala dun sa ating array, walang lalabas. So, yun yung kailangan natin gawin ngayon. So, for the final step, we need to display student name doesn't exist in the array when the student name doesn't exist. So, paano natin gagawin yun? So, we will use a boolean. So, guys, hindi namin maituturo yung logic sa lahat ng bagay. So, kailangan nyo ma-figure out sa self nyo kung paano yun. So, i-type namin kung paano and intindihin nyo kung bakit. So, gagawa tayo ng boolean. So, dito, bool tawag dyan. So, true and false lang yung ating value sa bool. So, isipin nyo, guys. So, gagawa tayo ng bool is existing. So, default, hindi, ang ina-assume ni program, hindi nag-exist yung hinahanap natin doon kay array. Ngayon, pag nahanap niya yon, ang gagawin natin, yung is existing, gagawin natin true. Ibig sabihin, nag-exist yung ating hinahanap. Ngayon, pag natapos yung for loop nang hindi niya nahanap, false pa rin to, di ba? False pa rin yung is existing kasi nandito siya sa loob ng if-else. So, ngayon, pagka hindi niya nahanap yung hinahanap natin, sa pinakailalim, lalagyan natin, if is existing is equals to false, see out, isi-see out natin yung name search doesn't exist in the array. So, intindihin niyo yung logic, guys. Kaya tayo nag-declare ng boolean dito kasi ina-assume ni program na hindi nag-exist yung hinahanap natin. So, false agad yung ating boolean. Ngayon, pag nahanap niya dun sa loob ng array, gagawin niyan true. So, pagka na-break na natin to, so, iti-check na kung nahanap ba niya yung hinahanap natin. So, nahanap na natin. So, true na to. So, hindi na siya magra-run. But, pagka hindi natin nahanap dito yung hinahanap natin, yung existing is equals to true na to, hindi magra-run. So, yung is existing is false pa rin. Pagka natapos yung for loop na to, tapos pumunta siya dito, makikita niya na hindi nahanap yung hinahanap natin. Kaya mag-see out siya ng name search doesn't exist in the array. So, sana nag-gets nyo, guys, kasi hindi namin maituturo lahat ng logic kasi tinuturo lang namin yung structures and tinatry lang po namin iparealize sa inyo kung paano yung magiging logic and logical thinking natin pagkadating sa mga logical problems na ganito. So, if we try to run this, makikita nyo. So, ayan na. How many student names? So, 4 ulit. So, favorite natin, Tim, Timmy, Jim, and Jimmy. Ayan, if I try to search for someone na wala dito, so, kunwari, SDPT, if I try to search SDPT here, as you can see, lalabas, SDPT doesn't exist in the array. But, let's run that again. This time, let's put SDPT here. How many student name? 4, SDPT, Jim, Jimmy, and Tim. So, andyan na si SDPT. What if we search SDPT? name the search SDPT, enter. SDPT exists in index 0. So, as you can see, pan 0 si SDPT. So, tama yung ating program. So, yun lang guys for today. So, I hope you learned something guys. Kung hindi nyo man nagawa yung program na to, so, gawin nyo yung best nyo next time. So, pahirap ng pahirap yung ating coding challenges. Well, for us, kung kayang-kaya nyo, and then good for you guys. Very good sa inyo. And, yun nga guys, thank you for watching this video, and as always guys, I will see you in the next video. Goodbye!